Hue green on the 12th hour of the night through the 4th hour of the day of the 6th of the 10th month of 1436. And right now, it is the 2nd of the 3rd month of 1443. So after dawn prayers and such, I would have went back to sleep before the sunrise. With the sound of chimes, I became vaporized. Pressed on with the flow, I arrived where I saw myself walking in sparkling waters as the X symbol in 6 colors. My hair formed like a purple umbrella over me. My head was orange. My left hand to breast was yellow. My right breast to hand was blue. My right hip to foot was red. My left foot to hip was green. My body was divided more or less evenly among these 4 elemental colors. The hair and head was detached, and the overall form was like unto a circle or sphere. At the lake was the reflection of the mountain of ornite in the distance. This mountain of peacock ore shimmered in all its colors in the light of the rising sun, along with the golden castle that topped it. I flew up to the center of the roof of the gold castle. The feeling changed from a flowing euphoria to a throbbing rush of energy. I awoke in its pleasant warmness. And an interesting thing about peacock ore is it sort of loses its color as the longer than that it's been exposed to air, and it gets sort of a golden color. Hue